Hello everyone, welcome to AKP's Tech Bytes. Today I'm going to explore some useful commands in Linux. So let's start the journey. Terminal is ready, let's explore the first command. Let's find out all the system related information. And here it is. Next, I'm going to find out my identity. For that, the command is whoami. And here the identity is visible in the Linux terminal. Next, pwd. So the command pwd will find out the present working directory. If you need, you can use the command man. Right now I'm going to use the man command to find the help on pwd. Now to exit from this terminal we need to press Q, and it's done. We are back into the terminal. The next command is ls. Here ls means long listing, so it will give you all the files and directories those are available inside the present working directory, and here it is. So right now I have these directories, those are available under the AKP's Tech Bytes. Various options are available, those we can use with the ls command. The first one, ls-l, so it's going to give you all the details about the files and directories those are available. So right now you can see the output, right? Next, I'm going to use another option with the ls command, that's ls-a. The command ls-a will display all the hidden files. That's it. If you want to create various files in Linux, for that we have various commands. One of them is touch, and here it is, the akp.txt file created, right? Let's find out if it's available or not. For that, we are going to use the command alias. If you want to modify the file, you can use the nano editor. For that, we can use nano and file name. Now here you can type anything. Now press Ctrl X to exit from the editor. The next command is mkdir to create directories. Again, we are going to use the command ls to find out if the directory akp created or not. And here you can find out the directory with the name akp is created. That's good. Linux directory is not available because Linux is available under AKP1. Let's verify it. Now we are going to use the command cd. Now you can see Linux directory is available. That directory name. With this, I'm going to wrap up today's Linux journey. Thank you. Have a nice day.